Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. We're taking a look now at a 42cc Poulan 260 Pro, a very nice saw that will be great for around the house or the camp. No damaged cases, a very nice bar. The chain will need to be sharpened or replaced as it is right now. I don't think this chain will cut through butter. We're going to start it, let you hear how this one runs. A very nice running 42cc Poulan 260 Pro. You can buy one of these things almost like new for I think close to 250, 260 bucks. But you know at Vintage King, you're not going to pay that kind of money. Oh no. You can buy this saw today for $69.99 plus shipping anywhere in the US. I didn't stutter. $69.99 plus shipping puts this on your doorstep anywhere in the US. What's that? You say you don't live in the US? Don't worry. We ship anywhere in the world with eBay International Shipping. So if you live outside the US, this can be part of your collection very easily. Just click on that link below for pictures and details or how to buy this saw right now. It won't last long at that price, folks. Remember, Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matters most.